Yo YouTube, it's Mr. B from Pint of Stuff here, and I am coming right back at you, as I always say, with another sneaker unboxing. I have got, you know what this is, I'm very excited to see this. We've got the Civilist Dunk, a very special dunk. It is actually the third collaboration with Civilist. There was a Dunk High and there was a Janoski. We're now on the low. SJ, let's go to this camera because I want to talk to this bad boy. I want to do the usual stuff to begin with. So we have got a Nike SB Dunk Low Pro Quick Strike. They are black, but are they really? And they are a UK 11. That makes them a US 12. If you're into US lady sizes, that's a 13.5, and the code is CZ5123001. Right, SJ, let's do it. Let's do this. So this is really interesting. So this is so Civilist is a store in Birmingham. It's not in Birmingham, it's in Berlin. It's definitely not in Birmingham. Oh my word, these are a bit special, everyone. Oh, I can see. Right. So if you've seen the pictures, you know that these are heat reactive. And the thing is, we've had the heating on because it's getting cold in the UK. It's not cold, but it's cold in our house. And it's a bit warm where we record. And so my fingerprints have already set the reactor off. But first of all, first thing we can see, we've got, and actually let's use the other shoe. Let's bring this in close. You're not seeing that yet. Come on. Right, so we've got your standard dunk here, but there are a few details on here. See, I've just caught sight of the inner sole, and the inner sole is amazing, and I haven't seen these anywhere, the inner sole, so I'm really happy with these. So these are they're from a Berlin store, Civilist, and just get a look at that standard dunk there. I think the interesting thing here, well, for me is interesting, is look at the Nike back there. Slightly different Nike on the heel there, but we can see that the E is proper. It's a proper E, which what these are inspired about. That's kind of interesting. We've also got here we've just got a little nod to the logo there. We're going to bring that in close. You can see the Civilist piece. Let's have a look at the sole. So the sole, good old-fashioned standard Nike SB Pro Dunk Low sole, and we're going to have a look. We're going to have a look at the there. Now you're all just screaming at me. Just do it. Show us the interesting bit. No, but these are like this. That's a clean shoe in its own right. Super clean. Love the material. That matte black look. I don't know if we can see it on the other camera, SJ. Let's go over here. You can get a sense for, and you're already starting to see under there. Oh look, there's a little bit of color, and you can see that now. Right. See, that's what I wanted to show you. Actually, I've just tipped them over. We've also got yellow aglets on a standard SB laces. Oh, I'm trying to get this out for you. Let's go to the, oh no. Oh. This is genuine, like, you know how genuine this is when I can't get these out. So first of all, so these were, these are kind of inspired by the rave scene in the early 90s in Berlin, in Mitte. Which is an area in Berlin. It's actually a really cool area. So have a look at that. So first of all, love the multicoloredness there. Smileys. Who doesn't love smiley? So Acid House in its entirety there. So let's flick to the other camera, SJ. The middle camera. So we're going to just put this back in. And I think that's really interesting is that obviously, oh, you see, I don't know if, see, I can see it every time I put my fingers on these. I'm just going to give you a little sneak, and you see where my finger was. So that was kind of crazy. So yeah, it's a great store in Berlin, and Berlin has an amazing scene. But let's have a look at the alternate laces. We actually get 3 pairs of alternate laces. We get a red, we get a yellow, we get a blue. Let's go in there. Now I think in the first instance I'm going to keep the black in, because who wouldn't want to wear just black shoes to work? I don't know, SJ, if we can just go into this camera over here. We might get a slightly different. She just punched the ceiling. We've got low ceilings in this place. I'm just going to rest that up there. Oh, you can't really see. Right. So we're going back to the main camera. So I've got really hot hands at the moment. So have a look at this. Isn't that crazy? So it like that kind of thing happened. Like there was a lot of heat reactive stuff. I seem to remember there was t-shirts and stuff in the 90s and they did that. Now, just by chance, everyone, I brought a hairdryer so that you can see this. He says, pulling this, not my hairdryer, as you can tell. I don't have much hair, but let's get this going. So I don't know what this is going to sound like. It's going to sound terrible. It's going to be loud, but let's see what happens when we take the shoe. We take the shoe, everyone. I don't know how this is going to work. I'm trying to do this. And let's just take this. Oh my words. Oh my words. Right, just have a, it's hard for me to do this, SJ. Like, can you see that, everyone? Right, there we go. Let's take this all here. Look at this now. Oh my god. Oh my god, everyone. You, SJ, you point the air. I can't hold. Oh my word. Right, so we have that shoe. As you can see the complete change. How nuts is that? And you can also, let's just take the other shoe. And there we go. So we've got black. In fact, let's do that. There you go. How nuts was that? Now, what the other interesting thing as well is, right, I'm going to flip this back round there. It's starting to change back as we're here. Now, obviously, let's just see. It's on the heel there. It's changing so quickly. That is a crazy, crazy pattern. And I'm like, these are going to be so good to wear out. They're going to be so good. Thing as well, like, you know, obviously we talked more recently just about that. That's obviously a Dunk sole there. There's a new Dunk SP sole. It's not the OG sole at all, as you can see. And so, you know, if we have a look there, if SJ focuses on that, there we can see it. You can see also the stars on that center circle there, and also the grooves in the radial elements here coming out, which are not on the OG sole. Now I'm just looking at these are darkening off already. They're starting to darken there, and that is crazy. That is a crazy shoe. SJ, are these a crazy shoe?
Yes.
Now I would normally at this stage be saying, right, okay, now we can go and watch the cinematic foot on foot thing over there. However, because we want to get this video out for you guys, we're going to do a different video specifically for these and some other dunks, where we do a cinematic on foot together, and that will come shortly. But I want to get this video out to you. I am so impressed with that. That is turned so quick. Like, look at the toe box. The toe box is changing there. It's changing. It's going back black. Oh my word. I wonder how often it like can change and go back and change and go back. If I put my thumb on it, like, it's like, well, you know what we need? We need an air conditioning unit, so I can put them in front of a cold air conditioning unit, because it is quite warm under these lights, everyone, and we could actually like see it change back into black. But no, super, super nice. I love what they've done with this. I love the idea of these. Like, it's so hard at the moment, because there's so many great dunks out there that are coming through. I'm like impressed with these. Now, if you like these bad boys, you're probably going to like the videos that might appear here. So go and watch some of those, and then look out for the actual cinematic on foot from these from us from later. But go and watch another video now. Go on.